Today we're sipping on some light, refreshing lychee martinis. Yum. Lychees are delicious.
And a billionaire loves drinking lychee martinis. Miss Kylie Jenner loves her lychee martinis.
Yeah. If you follow her on Instagram, you would know, because she's always drinking them on her stories. Now, if you've ever been to an Asian restaurant, 9 times out of 10, they're definitely gonna have a lychee martini on the menu. If you haven't tried one already, what are you, living under a rock?
We highly suggest you try them.
And now you can make it at home, because we're about to teach you how to make it.
But be careful with those lychees, they are very addicting. You might eat the whole can in one sitting.
Guilty.
As charged. First, you're gonna grab your shaker and add a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice.
Next, we're bringing in some lychee flavor with some lychee syrup. We're going to be adding 1 ounce to our shaker. You can also use the lychee juice straight from the can in place of the syrup, or if you like it a little more boozy, you can use some lychee liqueur.
And since this is a martini, we're gonna go in with 2 ounces of Grey Goose, the goat.
Honestly, they should be Grey Goat instead of Grey Goose.
We got our bottle delivered directly to our door by Bottle Rover. If you guys like alcohol being delivered to your door, be sure to check out bottlerover.com.